Blossomdale's offers a Black Friday sale on all its stock, 50% off the marked price. Blossomdale's club members get an additional 30% off the discounted selling price. How much would a Blossomdale's club member pay for a $100 jacket? Now these math questions are not complex equations. They're trying to see how quickly you can find the relevant information to answer the question. And as this math question, the numbers are usually the relevant information. So let's highlight. We've got 50% off, we've got an additional 30% off, and a $100 jacket. So let's write this out. 100% of this jacket is going to equal all of it, which is $100. Now we get 50% off. So let's write 50% off. And just comparing 100 to 50, we could say 50 is half of 100. So all we have to do is take $100 and half it or divide it by 2. And this is going to equal $50. Now, the second part is saying that it's an additional 30% off if you are a club member. So we've got our $50, let's draw a dollar sign, and we need to minus 30%. Now, before I do this equation, we know that $50 minus 30% is going to be smaller than $50. So if we look at our answer options on the left, we can already eliminate $80, which is bigger than 50, 65, which is bigger than 50, and 50, which is equal to 50. And we know $50 minus 30% will be smaller than 50. Now, we could try and do this equation, $50 minus 30%, or we could do $50 multiplied by 70%. But both of these are difficult long equations. So instead, we're going to cheat and try and take off 50%. So let's say we have this new equation, and I'm going to draw it over here. We've got 100% equals $50. And if we take off 50%, so we're left with 50%, we can simply half our $50, which will equal 25. And if we look at our answer options, we can see 25 is the last option down. But here we took off 50% and we're only meant to take off 30%. Meaning the fact that we took off 50% and ended up with $25 tells us that $25 is not the correct answer. And we can eliminate this too. So even without doing the equation $50 minus 30%, as $35 is the only option not eliminated, we can say $35 is our final answer.